Okay, let's check the what's keeping it from being good? Okay, no votes. We'll just do birds. Nightmare birds. It's slow. I haven't tested it like tons. I've only been playing in the fun, you know, the tournament practice rooms. So I haven't played like for money yet, points. But it's you'll see. It's kind of slow. It might need some work to make it even like remotely playable. But here's the deck list. Yeah, your birds. Yeah, your Suntail Hawks, Squadron Hawks. I've gotten into some stalemates with, I played a kind of semi Soul Sisters deck, and I got Worship out, and they couldn't get me to below 1 damage, but then I couldn't get through enough damage. It was Soul Sisters, they kept gaining life, so I couldn't raise them. Stone Hero Giant is awesome. If I can make it to like turn 5 or 6. Oh yeah, and then all the equipment, I'll show that.
I'm always really happy when I feel our souls connect. I will look away sometimes, I know I will go back again, because everybody there is so fucking talented and magical. People full and Superman hater. I wanna crawl into the little bubble they've created. In a perfect world, I hold my heart out in my hand. Go up to my new friends and say, hey guys, let's start a band. And in a perfect world, they would say that they understand. They say they thought the same thing from the second that we met. And I'd be the luckiest girl in the world. I'd be the luckiest girl in the world. I'd be the luckiest girl in the world. I'd be the luckiest girl in the world.
But yeah, basically it's semi-boggles without the hexproof, so that makes it tricky. So the birds are always dying. Unless you can get Swiftfoot boots, make it hexproof, make it indestructible with a dark steel plate, but it's kind of hard to pull off the Voltron combo. Nightmare birds, here we go. This is okay. It's keepable. We got turn 2 birds, which we can get 3 more birds. Soul Sisters again? Jeez, okay. It's a tough matchup. We've got Worship, so we can kind of stalemate, but I don't know how to push through probably in this matchup. We have to just path this right away. If they have another one like it, well, I guess we could have waited. We should have waited until we're upkeep.
I gets down like brothers are found, ducking from bullets. Gun control means using both hands in my land, where it's all about the cautious living. Migrating to a higher form of consequence. Compliments, I'm struggling, that shouldn't be notable. Man, every word I say should be a hip-hop quote. I'm sick of bitches shaking ass.
Honor of the Pure, okay. This looks more straight up Soul Sisters. I played a weird version the other day, or earlier.
Cocaine and cracks, which brings sickness to black.
On the path, that's good.
With they sickening raps, claps and gats, making a whole sick world collapse. The facts are getting sicker, even sicker perhaps. I stick a bush to make a bundle to escape the mass.
We'll just search for 2 so we don't have to discard.
You better work it out. Now let me tell you what it's all about. A skin not considered equal. A meteor has more right than my people who.
Hey, Bigaloot 33, thanks for the follow. It's kind of a big deal. They got another Soul Warden, okay. Pride Mate. I think we passed the Soul Warden on their upkeep.
Loving to love mad sex, loving to love guns, love for opposite, love for fame and wealth, love for the fact of no longer loving yourself, kid. We living in them days of the man-made ways where every aspect is vivid. These brothers no longer talk shit, yo. These niggas live it, about to give it to you 24/7 on the microphone. Plug one, translating the zone. No offense to a player, but yo, I don't play. And if you take offense, fuck it, got to be that way. JD Dub, show your love, what you got to say? I say jeans and making cake is at a high regard, and niggas dying for it nowadays ain't odd. Investing in fantasies and not God. Welcome to reality, sometimes it's hard. People try.
Oh, maybe we should have passed before. Just let them have the land now.
See shit like that'll make your mama
Do
cry.
it now.
Better watch the way you spend it, cause the stakes is high. You know them stakes is high. You're dealing with the stakes is high.
You need to just path the Pride Mate now.
Stakes is high. Smiling in public is against the law. Cause love don't get you through life no more. It's who you know and how you son. And how you getting in and who the man holding he yo. And how was the skins and how high. Yo, what up, how? I heard you caught a body. Seem like every man and woman shared a life with John God. But they ain't organized. Mixing crimes with life enzymes. Taking the big scout route. And niggas no doubt better than they know they daughters and they sons. Yo, people go through pain and still don't gain positive contact. Just like my main man who got others cleaning up his physical influence. His mind got congested, he got the non-influent. Neighborhoods are now hoods, cause nobody's neighbors, just animals surviving with that animal behavior under eye. Who be rhyming from dark to light sky. Experiments where needles and skin connect. No wonder where we live is called the projects. When them stakes is high, you damn sure try to do anything to get the piece of the pie. Electrify, even die for the cash, but at last we be out, even though you're wanting more. This issue was closed like an elevator door, but soon reopen once we get to the next floor with the stakes is high. You know them stakes is high. We're dealing with the vibe, y'all. Stakes is high.
We crack this now. Get the last one out of her deck.
I hate to say it, but these last few years have been hell. But patience pays off finally.
Ranger of Eos, okay. See what it gets.
I've been told that the tallest building in hell has an awesome view of the Emerald City.
Sarah Ascendant. 2 Sarah Ascendants, okay.
I've been told that the tallest building in hell has an awesome view of the Emerald City. And it's hard to believe when you're up so late at night.
You just gotta run out the worship here.
And it's hard to believe when you do nothing wrong.
Hey Madlib. Yes, it is. It's pretty bad. It's this epic stalemate. Especially when I get worship. I do have a Wrath, 1 Wrath mainboarded. Might want to add another Wrath. But, I mean, I usually don't see tons of Soul Sisters. This is the second time I played against it with this deck tonight.
At the end of the longest book ever wrote, it says, ho, 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 me. You still laugh in your sleep. I take that seriously. You still laugh in your sleep. I take that seriously. You still laugh in your sleep. I take that seriously. You still laugh in your sleep. I take that seriously. You still laugh in your sleep.
I think we Spectra Ward here.
You still laugh in your sleep. I hate to say it, but these last few years have been hell. The patience pays off finally. Patience pays off finally. Patience pays off finally. Patience pays off
The path and response.
I saw Tupac at McDonald's. He got a Big Mac and some fries. I saw Tupac at McDonald's. Looked right into his big brown gangster rapper eyes. I said you lied to me and my family and the whole world watching MTV. I can't believe the things you did. I said you lied to me and my family and the whole world watching MTV. I can't forgive you for what you did. I looked at him and I think I cried. He looked at me and he replied. He said, West Side is the best side. West Side is the best side. said West Side is the best side. I saw Tupac at McDonald's. He got a chicken McNugget